21 सप्टेंबराक जागतीक शांतताय दीस मनयता. ह्या निमतान पिटा इंडिया संस्थेन पणजे कांपालार लोकांनी जेवणात शिवराक जेवण आपणावचें म्हूण जागृताय केली. कुल्ल्यांक खातना तांचे जेन्ना दांगे मोडटा वा तांकां जित्यो उकडटा तेन्ना तांकां त्रास जाता म्हूण लोकांनी शिवराक जेवण आपणावचें अशें आव्हान पिटा संस्थेन केलां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Today, in advance of International Day of Peace, we are here in Panjim to encourage the public to opt for vegan options. International Day of Peace is supposed to be celebrated, the idea of non-violence. So crabs usually are eaten. First of all, they are either boiled alive or their legs are broken apart while they are still alive. So all of these things are painful. A lot of people are not aware about how painful it is for crabs, because these animals like us have an anatomy that consists of the feeling of pain, the feeling of sadness, and all of this has been proved. They are intellectual animals, and then when these things happen to them, it causes pain. So International Day of Peace is something that we want to encourage the public to try vegan options instead of opting for opting to harm animals, opting to break their legs apart while they're still alive, opting to boil them alive. So yes, today in advance of International Day of Peace, PETA India is in Panjim to encourage the public to go vegan.